Lesson 8, Key Signatures Examples. So our first example is in treble clef. We have 4 sharps, and our last sharp is this one. This is D sharp. So remember that when we're trying to find the key signature, we go up a half step from the last sharp. So if it's D sharp, we go up a half step, we get E. So it's an E major. Alright, next we have 5 sharps. Our last sharp is an A. If we go up a half step from A, we get B. So we're in B major. Next, we have 2 sharps. This is C sharp. You go up a half step and you get a D. So it's in D major. Next we have 3 sharps. This is a G sharp. So if we go up a half step, we get A, so we're in A major. And finally, we have 1 sharp. That's an F sharp. So you go up a half step to get G, so you're in G major. Next, I have a couple of examples for you to try on your own. Good luck!